guys, so welcome back. So that was the up and close of the ISMOD II Plus. Basically, quite a good looking device. It's very, very nice. It has got a 2600 milliamp built-in battery to the actual pack. It comes with two of the rods or pens. These hold 160 milliamp batteries. Very, very, very good magnets. Very good magnets indeed. Nice display there, if you can see that. It's got a nice display, so the three batteries, the three green lights as a battery, and then the blue means that your pens are fully charged. They'll go red obviously when they're not. So basically, how does it work? You basically take your rod out, you turn it on, so you just press the wee button and it'll go blue and it'll flash. So it's pulsing. When it's ready, that'll go solid blue and you'll get a vibration. So it's just still working there. They do look quite fancy actually, these. That's it, just vibrated there, so that it is ready. So you just pop your cartridge in, your little heat. I'm gonna try and burst the ball there. It tastes a lot better. So you have to use these with heats. So that's basically it ready to go. So you get 230 seconds and then, or you'll get, I think it's 13 puffs, and then it'll signal basically that you're coming to the end of the use. These get thrown away every time you've used them, so 13 puffs, throw it away, get another one. You get 20 in a pack, so. Very realistic to smoking a traditional cigarette. You can even hold it like a traditional cigarette. So it's not actually that bad. I did review the Nano. The Nano was quite a good device. I do prefer this one. It just looks a lot nicer. It's a lot nicer looking kit. It's nice pocket, back pocket friendly. You get two pens, so when one runs out, you can use the other one, vice versa. You get a nice cleaning kit with it, little brush, all that sort of stuff. The flavour is not that bad. It is very, very close to as smoking as you can get, like I said, but without the crap that comes in a normal cigarette, over 7,000 chemicals. These are a lot safer. There are health benefits to using these. It is a really good looking kit, like I said. I do really like the magnets are seriously strong. You're not going to have a problem with these falling out at all. I do like the pens, or rods as they call them. The tops do come off, so you can take the tops off. Give them a good clean out, obviously every now and then, because you'll need to do that, same as what you do with anything. So yeah. Really good. So if you want a full detailed breakdown, specs and everything like that of the ISMOD II Plus, head over to the website, shaderreview.com. I'm also on Instagram. If you want to come over and follow us on there, I'm on there most of the time. So guys, till next time, enjoy, stay safe, and I'll see you later.